developing new properties in Tahoe is challenging. Demand for luxury homes and vacation rentals is making new residences increasingly rare and incredibly valuable. But with limited available land, it is only getting harder. When the opportunity presented itself, we knew we had to do something different, something truly unique. All across Tahoe, so many residences with the same view trapped behind trees. So, we envisioned a new concept. What if we took a luxury resort and moved it up the mountain, up above the tree line? During our search, we discovered one of the only buildable crests in all of Tahoe. Introducing The Peak, an exclusive collection of residences, perfectly positioned to deliver not just one view, but two. With breathtaking panoramic views of Lake Tahoe and the majestic alpine view of Carson Valley. The result? Multi-million-dollar residences with truly multi-million-dollar views. Each home is crafted with meticulous attention to detail, luxurious finishes, from high-end materials to exquisite design, creating an exclusive and intimate retreat that feels like your own private modern mountain hideaway. The sheer size of each interior is designed to breathe, with spacious bedrooms and living spaces, designed for accommodating guests, large families, or simply entertaining. With large windows and private balconies that frame the picturesque view, inviting in the outdoors. In Tahoe, snow isn't just a season, it's a way of life. The peak is just under a mile from two different world-class ski lifts. At over 10,000 feet, the highest ski resort in Lake Tahoe, with almost 5,000 acres of skiable mountainside. Step onto the mountain in minutes. Savor the crisp, clean air and stunning foliage in the fall. In the warmer months, hike or bike hundreds of scenic trails, or enjoy boating, swimming, or paddleboarding across the crystal blue waters of Lake Tahoe. With dedicated garage parking, your vehicle remains accessible regardless of the weather, be it snow, rain, or shine. Premium amenities are designed to complement your lifestyle, including a sophisticated owner's lounge, heated swimming pool, serenity spa, and a top-of-the-line fitness center. Ideally positioned on the Nevada side, up above the East Shore. An investment, an asset, maximizing tax benefits. The Peak is more than just a residence. It's a canvas for your lifestyle and family. For a lifetime of memories, discovered in every season, in changes of weather and phases of life. Settle into unparalleled privacy, providing an exclusive, quiet, and safe retreat. Experience a life where luxury meets nature. Introducing living at a whole new elevation. The Peak. Residences selling now. Availability is limited.